I'm playing a nice reaction to the news. I just took my first trade off of this 9 a.m. candle. Here you see a nice big explosion, bullish candle to the upside. That was the Jolt Jobs numbers that came out. Rallied for about 15 to 20 points on this one candle. Left a nice wake in its path here. I played the bounce off this structure level here and rode it back up to this POC for a nice $300 quick rip. And I think it looks like we're going to get another crack at it here. I've got a buy stop order right on the edge of this zone. So as it breaks out of this zone, I'm going to catch it back up to the upside again, and I'm going to do another one. So let's see what we get here. Again, the breakout on that top side is 45, 71 and 3/4. Looks like it's going to fluctuate in there a little bit, but that zone that I have here, this little gap that I have here, right in the middle there, you'll see a level 45. 70, that is a structure level from the prior series of highs where price failed to break out. Well, the news pushed it and broke us out to the top side, and now we are going to see if we can take advantage of this again. If it doesn't clip me, it doesn't clip me, and we head down, no big deal. Otherwise, I'm going to let this stop order here for 2 contracts carry me up through this this zone and up to hopefully that upper VWAP or top side of that prior bar. I'll take either one of those depending on how price moves out of this zone, if it indeed does. So again, this is oh, here we go. We got triggered in. Delta's building, 413. We got to get a nice push above that that POC. A couple of points up, so we're going to see what develops here. Kind of slow out of this zone, but we've got sequential decline on the bottom 3 bars. These that 9 o'clock bar was a nice bullish, directionally changing move up, or directionally setting move up, and then we had 2 fake moves down, as far as I can tell. That 9:10 bar and that 9:15 bar, 2 fake bars down. There's a quick pullback on the 5-minute EMA cloud. We got to pull back into that that EMA cloud, just barely, just above that 9 moving average. And now we're on the ascension up, and I'm going to take profits at the top side of this bar. Let's see if I can get a nice little push. We'll let it run for a sec. Let's see what we get. Delta's building. Okay, I'm just going to cash out and take some profits. That's that. That is a nice start to the morning session, up 512.50 in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes total, just from waiting for that 9 o'clock news release to hit the market, settle, and pick a direction.
If you like this and you want access to the tools, check out Ninjacators Fast Track with the link below.